Okay, yes, it's true. You can build business credit without actually having a formal business. No LLC, no S Corp, no nothing. But should you? All right, let's go, baby. All right, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the pros and cons of building business credit with an LLC and without an LLC. So first and foremost, all these hot links are in the link in the description below. You guys are trying to build business credit or learn about business credit for free. All those links are down there. Net 30 vendor accounts, free training, all of it, okay? All right, now that that's out of the way, it's a big question that I get all the time, okay? Do I need to have a business to get business credit? The short answer is no. Okay, see you later, bye, video's over. But I want to talk about the pros and cons here, okay? Now, number one, let's talk about some pros of having and building business credit without a formal LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp, any kind of corporation, okay? So obviously, number one is that you don't have to go through that process, right? So if you just don't want to go through the process, you don't want to set up an LLC, you don't want to set up a company, you can build business credit on your own, okay? And how do you do that? You do that as a sole proprietor. So whether you guys know it or not, you're already incorporated, okay? The government has incorporated you, okay? You are a business. You are a sole proprietor, okay? So if you on a application for business credit put sole proprietor, that means you, Mr. So-and-so, Miss So-and-so are the business. That's the name of your business, you, okay? So on your application, on a business credit card application, you're gonna put that you are the company, you're a sole proprietor, and then you're gonna use your social security number where the EIN number goes, okay? So you can still get a business credit card, okay, in your name with you being the sole proprietor. You are the business, okay? So that's a pro, I guess, right? That you don't have to register your business. You don't have to go through the formalities, the expense of registering your business, okay? What's another pro? Well, with business credit, depending on the lender, depending on the credit card, it won't show up. That debt won't show up on your personal credit report if you're doing it right, okay? But this is a pro, but this is also a con when it comes to doing this without a formal LLC, all right? So if you're doing it with a formal LLC, it's over a 90% chance that that debt will not show up on your personal credit report. Why is that important? Well, it's important because it lowers your debt to income ratio. If you're the type of person that you're using your credit quite a bit and you've got some high balances, they show up on the report, even if you pay them in full every month, sometimes they'll show up. Now I've got videos coming up about how to get around that so they don't even show up, right? We'll talk about that later, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. 2025 is our year. We going all the way, okay? We're going all the way, doubling in on YouTube, okay? So when you have an LLC, it is a higher chance that that debt does not get reported to your personal credit report. It doesn't affect your debt to income ratio. So that means when you go to apply for something that you actually need to put in your personal name, for example, you're refinancing a property, you're maybe even getting a mortgage for your primary residence, you maybe have to get a car and they want you, and you want to put it in your business name. You want to put it in your personal name. There's no real reason to do that, and we'll talk about that more too in other videos on why you should put cars in your business name, not in your personal name, especially if you have a business, and believe me, you do, okay? That's huge. So the protection that you get by using business credit is that, number one, it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. If you have an LLC, that LLC comes first on the application. So unlike if you were to do this without a business, without an LLC, it's just you. You're the only one responsible, okay? It's your name on there. You're the business, you're the person, everything. You are 100% liable, number one. Now, it's not to say that the other way you're completely off the hook, but your business comes first on that application, right? So when you're applying for any funding or a loan or a car or whatever, and you're doing it with a formal LLC setup, a formal company setup, well, that company is going to come first on the application, and you may or may not have to personally guarantee that application. Now, there's a difference between personal guarantee and becoming a co-borrower. Those are other things we'll talk about, so make sure you guys subscribe, okay? So I just wanted to really touch on this briefly in this video. If you want more explanation, you want more training on this type of stuff, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. We've got free business credit training on the most comprehensive business credit platform on the planet. Plus, we've got tons of net 30 vendors that report to your business credit report and will help you build your credibility as a business, okay? So make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you got comments, also make sure you put those comments in there, and I'm going to try to get to all of them, as I can, right? So I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace and love.